جاهزين تختبروا ذكائكم وتعرفوا كل اجابات الجيف ريزن؟ يلا بينا نبدأ مع بعض تحدي الجيف ريزن، وما تنسوش تشتركوا في القناة وتبقوا من عيلة ساينس داي بالعربي. انا مس نجوان وجدي ودي قناتي ساينس داي بالعربي. لو تحب تراجع معايا يلا بينا نبدأ مع بعض.
Give reason GR. Question 1. The fennec fox has tan-colored fur to hide in the desert and protect its body from the sun. Question 2. The fennec fox pants like dogs to cool its body in hot climate. Question 3. The fennec fox has large ears to lose heat and keep the body cool. Question 4. The fennec fox eats different kinds of food because it's hard to find food in the desert. Question 5. The fennec fox lives in burrows to stay cool during the day. Question 6. The fennec fox has a special ear shape for good hearing to help it hunt. Question 7. The Arctic fox has thick fur to stay warm in the cold climate. Question 8. The Arctic fox's fur color changes with the season to hide from enemies, white in winter, brown in summer. Question 9. The Arctic fox has short ears and legs to keep its body warm and reduce heat loss. Question 10. The Arctic fox lives in burrows to stay warm at night. Question 11. The Arctic fox eats different kinds of food because it's hard to find food in the cold tundra. Question 12. The bull shark can live in both fresh and salt water to find food easily in both environments. Question 13. The bull shark has a dark back and a white belly to hide from prey using countershading camouflage. Question 14. The bull shark has sharp teeth to cut and eat its prey. Question 15. The bull shark hunts day and night to surprise the prey. Question 16. The panther chameleon has brightly colored scales to hide among leaves and flowers. Question 17. The panther chameleon's eyes move in opposite directions. One eye searches for food while the other looks for danger. Question 18. The panther chameleon has a long sticky tongue to catch insects easily. Question 19. The panther chameleon has V-shaped feet and a hand-like tail to hold branches and catch things. Question 20. The panther chameleon changes its color when in danger to scare its enemies and protect itself. Question 21. The chameleon puffs up its body with air to look bigger and scare its enemies when it feels in danger. Question 22. The chameleon opens its mouth wide when it is in danger to scare its enemies and protect itself from danger. Question 23. The chameleon changes the color of its scales to hide among leaves and flowers or scare enemies in danger. Thank you for watching. I'm Mrs. Nagwan Wagdy, and this is my channel Science Day بالعربي. Follow us to learn more.
بكده خلصت أسئلة جيف ريزن بتاعت ليسن 2، وهتلاقوني سايبالكوا كل الأسئلة في صندوق الوصف تحت الفيديو عشان تنقلوها. بس ما تنساش تشترك في القناة وتعمل شير ولايك لأصحابك عشان يستفيدوا زيك تمام. واستنوني في درس المراجعة الجديد.